Siri. Come on.
Orange, not on it.
3, 4.
There. Sorry. Get my nice pie with the jelly belly. Get the jelly belly.
You don't need that, you just need a person.
Hey, smile, guys. Where that big red sign is.
What big red sign. So where are we going, April? Why not talking? Arndale. We're going to a Christmas party.
June, ready ka na ba sa Christmas party nyo?
Oh, ready na. At hindi ako kumain na ilang araw.
O nga, nag-diet ka para dito sa buffet meal nyo.
Oh, buffet to at maraming dumating dito.
Nagulat nga ako nung pinakita mo sa akin ng video. Ang dami nyo.
Oh, night staff, day staff. Magkakasama ito yung mga kabayan natin Pilipino. At ito yung mga Indian naman.
Wow! Ang dami nyo!
Sama yung manager, yung matron. Ito, simula na tayo. Irani, they all look cute. They all have the same jumper. Yeah. I know, it's time to eat, April. Where's Anna? Ah, si Anna. Dear me. Oh, there's Anna. Anna. Merry Christmas na, Merry Christmas. Hindi naman to. Cute. Talo sila.
Handang-handa na sa party yata itong mga kasama mong Indian June.
Grabe yung minum yung mga yan. Sarap.
For the good times.
Eight. Grabe ininom nila. Tingnan mo. Hamalok. Oh no! Dito na tayo sa apple juice.
Sexy.
Yo. Let's stay with apple juice.
Yeah, I'll stick to this.
Sana second plate ka na. It's my second one. I'm not both of you. Look.
Nakakatuwa itong mga Indian mo kasama, June.
Oh no, pupalit ka mo.
Mukhang tinatry nila yung apple juice.
Nakakatawa nga eh. So ang saya sila.
At mukhang pare-pareho pang suot nila.
Para silang Teletubbies. Seriously. No, it's sweet.
Why would the
I don't know. Might be the look. No, she doesn't drink beer.
Yeah.
She drinks wine.
Wow! Ang daming pagpipilian.
Iba't ibang klaseng pagkain.
Ano ba yung pinaka-favorite mong kinuha dito?
Siyempre mga fruits tsaka vegetable.
Wow! After all the dieting that you've done?
Hindi, no joke lang.
Eto, mukhang nasa fruits and vegetables ka.
Hindi lang dito pala, may nakilala pa tayong kabayan.
Yes! Kamusta po kayo?
Ayan, kabayan! Nakilala natin. Doesn't understand us, does he? No. Ayan, kabayan natin, April. Yeah, same country. What famous? Yeah, right. I know. I didn't know. Hey Sheila, may nakilala ako Pilipino. Kabayan natin, no? Nanonood ng vlog natin.
Subscriber of
Grabe. Yeah, maraming salamat.
Thank you, love.
April, tapos na tayo kumain. Grabe, busog ka ba, April?
Super. Wala na.
Grabe
Namiss
ka.
pa namin si Melvin.
Ito.
Ready, Gina?
Yeah, look at her. She came here, she was thin. No, I'm not gonna say anything. I remember, I have to respect her. She's our driver. Say Happy Christmas to everyone.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Oh, she looks so innocent. Not. No.
That's not what she was going before.
Jirani, say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Yeah, thank you.
So tempting, isn't it? You see it right after
Merry Christmas. Yan.
You're gonna be sleeping well tonight.
Mga kabayan natin Filipino. Grabe, busog tayo. Busog na busog. Eh, si Jenny busog. Lahat busog-lusog. Si Jenny payatong pumasok eh. Hindi na. Lumaki ka na, Jenny. Ito yung ating maliit na Christmas party. Pero lahat ano. Oh, nasin. No. No, it turns. It turns. Yeah. Yes. Chris. I refer to the wet patch. Uwi na tayo.
Busog-lusog at mukhang worth it ang inyong pagkain dito.
Oo nga eh, busog na busog talaga. Pero kukulit na mga kasama ko, gusto pang pa-picture. Busog ka ba? Busog? Busog ka ba, Ape? Ako na-enjoy ko yung pudding eh, yun na-enjoy ko eh. Pero tapos na yung ating Christmas party. At uwi na tayo, papapoto muna tayo bago tayo malis. Wait! Georgie! Nakita the photo na? Upstairs, we can call it. Downstairs. We can take a photo. We'll take a photo, Christine. We'll take a photo. Finish. It's finished. No, it's finished. It's only video. Get down. Get down. Don't worry, I'll post it on YouTube. Merry Christmas. Yan.
Christmas. Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, just watch it on YouTube. Good luck. We going. No, ito na. Nandun sa stairs. Ngayon, tapos na tayo. Busog ka, no? Enjoy tayo sa ating Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's my manager. Where are you going, BG? It's only a video. Yeah. Bye.
At pareho natin mga Pilipino, mukhang hindi matatapos ang night kung walang picture taking, June.
Grabe silang pa-picture dito. Kahit sa kanto, picture.
Siyempre, souvenir yan at papakita nila sa mga pamilya nila. Hindi lang dito, pati sa India.
Dami nila, no? Ang kukulit pa.
Nakakatuwa nga kasi talagang as one kayo.
Yan nga eh. Saya nga eh. Dahil ang dami namin.
It's a good turnout, it's a good night out. At mukhang feeling ko parang nakasama ako ah.
Parang busog-lusog to mga to ah.
At part pa ako nitong voice over, June.
Eh syempre, para manood ka ng Christmas party namin.
Masaya nga, natutuwa ako at lumabas ka rin.
Yun nga eh, kaya nagtapos na kayo Christmas party. Yung Christmas party naman namin.
Yun talaga, kailangan once in a year, lumabas ka rin.
Yan. At tapos na. Maraming salamat.
Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat sa panunood nyo. At watch out po sa mga next few vlogs that we'll be releasing.
Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat.
Merry Christmas.
Salamat sa panonood. At pauwi na tayo. What?